video, I'll be discussing about the fundamentals of C++ as I'm starting a new series on C++, the programming language, and we'll discuss about the fundamentals and basics of C++ in this video. So, in every C++ program, it contains one or more functions, one of which must be named as the main function. Okay, a function consists of a sequence of statements that performs work of the function. The operating system executes a program by calling this main function, and the function executes its statements, and in this case the statements are this. Don't worry about this cout, greater than sign, less than sign, whatever, and we'll discuss them later. But in this video we'll just look at an overview of the C++ program and some basic concepts. The operating system uses the value returned by the main. In this case, this main function returns a value 0 to determine whether the program succeeded or failed. Usually a 0 exit code means a success. Another code may mean something different. So a return value with 0 indicates a success. Okay. The operating system uses the value returned by the main to determine whether the program succeeded or failed. The main function is special in various ways. So you see this main function, it's very important, or you can say special. Okay, how? Because that the function must exist in every C++ program. This main must be there. If it's not there, nothing will work. You can't execute anything. So we define main and the same way we define other functions. Function definition specifies 4 elements. A return type, in this case it has a return type. The function name, in this case its name is predefined as main, and a parameter list, which is optional. In this case we have no parameters that will be provided here. In this case we don't have. Don't worry, we'll discuss them in very greater extent, but now today it's just a rough overview. And the main function is required to have a return type of int. Why of int? You see 0 is an integer, but why int? Because we have statically typed the type of this function as integer, int. So its return type must also be int, and it must have a return type. For example, if we just comment this and then I'll run this, okay, we get the answer. But in the backend there is another thing happen. Okay, we'll discuss that also. Yeah, so we are discussing about the definition of a function, and the int type, which you can see here, is a built-in type, which means that type is defined, built-in type, you know, is defined by itself in the program, in the computer. The final part of function definition, the function body. It's actually the block of statements starting with an open curly braces and ending with starting with an open curly braces and ending with a ending curly braces, close curly braces. This one is open, this one is closed. So in between this, whatever we write is being written inside the function body. Okay. The only statement in this program is a return, which is a statement that terminates a function. So this statement terminates this function, this main function. Okay. When the return includes a value such as 0, in this case 0, that value is the return value of the function. So in this case, this 0 is the return value of this function. Okay. The value returned must have the same type, as I already mentioned that it is an integer value and it must be same as the type of function. Okay, so or be type that can be converted to that type. For example, it can be a double that can be converted to an integer. It can be a float double or same. So the mean to say this is this should have a type equal to this or that can be converted to this. For example, if you type here any integer, not integer, character, a character can't be converted into integer, so that will not work, that won't work. On most system, the return value from main is a status indicator. Status indicator is like a success, as we talked earlier, whether the program is completely error free or it has some error while running. So this is just like a sort of basic. In other videos I'll be sharing about the other basic concepts like variables and the built-in data types and some of these keywords like cout, and we'll type our first program to write hello world. As you can see, this is a very simple syntax, and we also discuss about this include, stream, and using namespace, std, what all these in upcoming videos. So till then, just let me also show you this. If I type here just hello and run this, you will notice there will get the output hello. So this is a simple program. We'll discuss that in detail in upcoming videos. So till then, take care, bye bye.